I have been thinking about building a BD1 of some sort. What can I say? I really like the little guy. I began to look around for some STL files on the internet and ran across this set on Thingiverse.com. The files looked simple and it was posable. All of the parts could be printed on a small format printer. It also had over 70 successful builds. Looked like a good candidate. Thank you, fine engineer at Thingiverse. Really good work. Wait, what if? What if I animate it? At least the head. I mean, I can't make it walk, can I? Wait. What if I had it riding a Roomba? Roomba riding robot BD1. If I had it riding a Roomba, I could remote control it. I can add a soundboard, so it can make little beeps and such like the real one. So the BD1 robot riding a Roomba project was born. Hit like and subscribe if you wanted to post more videos of the build. And thanks for watching.